Good afternoon, students. Welcome in HCP lecture. Today's I will start the remaining part of chapter number 7, Nomenclature and Uses of Surgical Instrument and Hospital Equipments and Health Accessories. Okay. Let us see the firstly what we saw in previous lecture. Okay. Introduction. Then in introduction, scissors. Then tissue forceps and hematostatic forceps. In scissors, straight blunt scissor, straight pointed scissor, then angled scissor either pointed or blunt, then switch cutting scissors for switches, and Lister's bandage scissor to cut bandage. Okay. Then in tissue forceps, Babcock Babcock's untoothed tissue forceps, then toothed tissue forceps, and in hematostatic forceps, that is medium sized hematostatic forceps. The other same artery forceps for this is incorrect name. These are used to check the blood flow from the vessels. The identification features are blunt tip, no interval between the blades, transverse serration, and clamps or catch attached handles. Okay. Now we'll start the remaining part of this chapter, that is towel clip or corner clips. In that, these are the preparatory to surgery accessories used to fix surgical towels in the manner which reduce the risk of contamination. To reduce the risk of contamination, corner clip are follow the following type, that is first is Doyen's type, Grace type, then Backhouse type, then Moynihan's tetra towel forceps which has two pointed at end clip. Okay. First is gray towel clip, second these are the gray towel clip, then second is the Backhouse type towel clip and Moynihan's tetra towel forceps. Okay. Then next is dissecting forceps. The dissecting forceps, these are used to pick up various structures or whole tissue. They are either plain or toothed. In that, first is plain dissecting forceps, whose inner side is serrated and has a spring like handle. Okay. Plain dissecting forceps, whose inner side is serrated and has a spring like handle. Toothed type, which are either Millin's type or Victor Bonnet type. Okay. First is plain dissecting forceps, second Victor Bonnet's toothed dissecting forceps. Okay. These are the two forceps of dissecting forceps. Then next is scalpels and their blades. In scalpels and their blades, scalpels is the blade with a handle. The blades are of various shapes. They are detachable. The functions of the scalpels is the make and incision. Function is scalpels is make and incision. These blades are used for the incision. Okay. A, B, C and D. These are the scalpels blade, four shapes of scalpel blades. These four shapes used for the function of these blades for make a incision. Okay. Then next is needles. Mainly they are the two types of needles. First is hypodermic needle for parenterals and surgical needles which are solid and used for switching. Okay. Surgical needles may be straight or curved. Surgical needles may be straight or curved. They are of different sizes. The shaft may be round or triangular or flat. It tapers into a sharp point. Okay, it tapers into the sharp point. These are the surgical needles. First is straight needle, then round shaft curved needle, then triangular shaft curved needle, and flat shaft curved needle. These four needles of surgical needle. Okay. Beside this, a lumbar puncture needles is available, which is like a hypodermic needles to withdraw cerebrospinal fluid, that is CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. It is 8 to 10 centimeter long. Okay. Then aneurysm needles is used for the ligating and has a handle and a tip. It is blunt and curved with an eye on the curved end. Okay. First is lumbar puncture needle. These are the lumbar puncture needle, and second is the aneurysm needle. Okay. Then next is needle holders. The needle holders are similar to that of hematostatic forceps, the difference being to the shorter blade and the longitudinal grooves in addition to transverse serration. They are either straight or curved. They are used to hold the surgical needles while stitching. Okay, the needle holders are similar so to that of hemostatic forceps, the difference being the shorter blades and longitudinal grooves in addition to transverse serration. They are either straight or curved. These needles are either curved or straight. They are used to hold the surgical needles while stitching. Okay, these are the needle holders. Then next is rubber catheters. In the rubber catheters, these are the drain of bladder in case of urine retention through halo throughout the beyond the eye. The distal end of is solid or solid for easy insertion. Okay. The rubber catheters, these drains of a bladder in case of urine retention through halo throughout beyond the eye. The distal end is the solid for easy insertion. They are of different sizes. They are either first is simple rubber catheters or self-retaining catheters. Okay. These are the rubber catheters. First is simple rubber catheters and second is the self-retaining catheters. Then next is miscellaneous instruments. First is tongue holding forceps, then sponges holding forceps, bone cutting forceps, bone holding forceps, that is Leon. Then fifth is piles holding forceps, then intestinal clamp and laminectomy saw, that is horseless type. Okay, that is horseless type. Now see, the first is tongue holding forceps. First is tongue holding forceps, in that hold the tongue during surgery. The jaw are round with serration. The handle carry bow or catches. The handle carries bows or catches. Then next is sponges holding forceps are used to hold the swabs for antiseptic dressing before the surgery. They are 9.5 long with inch with fingers, bows and catches. Then next is bone cutting forceps. Bone cutting forceps which cuts the bone, has sharp blade and the handle with or without lever arrangement. Okay. Then next is bone holding, that is Leon forceps, have a stout blunt teeth on the blades to catch bones. It resembles a Leon's jaw when open. Okay. Then next is, these are the first image is bone holding, that is Leon forceps. Okay. Then next is piles holding forceps. Piles holding forceps are used to hold the pile's mass. They have a oval shaped jaw, grooved from inside with no serration. The handle has finger bows and catches. It differs from the sponges holding forceps in not having the serration. Then next is intestinal clamp. They are used to clamp the intestine. The blades are long and thin. There are longitudinal serration from inside. The handles has finger bows and catches. Okay. Then next is the laminectomy saw, that is Horsley's type. These are used to saw the bone. Then it has convex sawing margin on the blade. The blade has piston grip handle. Okay, these are the piston grip handle Lamingtoni saw. Okay, here are completed the point of introduction. Okay, then next is other equipments. We will see in next lecture. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you.